I Am Academy, is it a scam? I get this question like 4 to 5 times a day on average. Like, let's get into it. So, is it a scam? The short answer is no. And I'm going to break down why that is and a few things that I learned as being a part of the academy that you need to be successful. So, let's not waste time. Let's jump right into it. The first thing that I personally think that you need to be successful at I Am Academy is a great team of people around you. And I'm just being honest. Sometimes success is just as simple as being a part of the right team. And don't take that lightly. Your team needs to have a great, sweet science and sweet mesh of builders and traders. And whatever your goal is, that team needs to meet your goal. So whatever goal you have in your mind as becoming a trader, as becoming a builder, or just simply navigating your way through the academy, your team needs to be there to meet that need every step of the way. And I would say that's the first thing I would recommend in being successful, because the academy is this such great web of knowledge. It's so much knowledge and so much great content. You will get lost in all that wash if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't have anybody that can hold your hand and tell you, hey, watch these people, look at these people, or hey, use this product. This is how you use the products. The second thing that I would recommend to be successful at I Am Academy is really get the knowledge. A lot of people are jumping in there to trade. Don't treat this like it's a casino. Forex is not you taking the money, throwing it in there, crossing your fingers and hoping it all works out. A lot of people approach Forex like that, and that is the wrong mindset. Again, mindset, knowledge, study, learn. Come to the academy to learn. Don't even use your real money just yet. Trade a demo account. See how the market moves. Really get the knowledge. Find an educator that you can pattern yourself after. Find an educator that fits your trading style. Know what style of trader you want to be first. But again, goes back to rule number one. The right team will help you iron out these goals, write down these goals, and make that plan. And that is what is needed for you to be a successful trader. And that is a good thing I Am Academy can help you with. And a lot of people overlook that because they just want to make money. They just want to make money. They say, oh, the market is $6.6 trillion every day. Yes, it is. However, if you do not have the knowledge and you do not have the right team around you, you will get lost in that wash and you will lose. And that's not what we want for you. So definitely soak up all the knowledge that you can. The third thing that I would recommend in being successful in I Am Academy is plan. Make a plan. The Bible says write the vision and make it plain upon tables. Well, I tell people the funny thing is a table is wood. Paper is wood. Sometimes you got to write your vision down. Write it. And whatever your plan is, stick to it. Again, this goes back to rule number one. A great team having the knowledge and now making a plan ensures your success in Forex. Because I talk to a lot of people all the time, and trust me, I get a lot of inboxes on my different social media since people know I trade Forex. And they ask me, hey, how do I do this? How do I do that? How do I navigate this? Or I ask them, what is your plan? They cannot tell me their plan. That's a really big problem. And I tell people, how are you going to follow your plan when you can't communicate your plan to anyone else? You should be able to communicate what your plan is like that. And really refine a plan. If your plan is to get X amount of pips a week, X amount of pips a day, X amount of pips, or this specific dollar value, once you get that, get out of the market. Stop trading. Don't overtrade. Don't undertrade. Get your pips, dip. The market is here every day. There's no need for you to feel like you need to get all of that in one day. A lot of people try to get all of what the market has to offer in one day. You don't need to do that. Get what your goal is, stop. This brings me to my next point. Point number 4, consistency. Whatever your plan is, After you make your plan, now consistently get that plan. And if you can't get that plan, modify it. If you can't consistently reach your goal, modify it. I know my team, we have different trading plans available, but we also sit down and we talk with each other about, hey, how are you doing? What's going on? What do you need more help with? I give my team training, specialized training, and a good team should give you that specialized training and help put you in a position to reach your goals. If you can't reach your goals, well, it's time for you to sit down with your educator, sit down with yourself and figure out, why am I not reaching my goals? What's going on with me? Am I over trading? Am I treating this like gambling? And it's very easy. It's a fine line between gambling and investing in Forex. A very fine line. It's very easy for a lot of people to feel like they can take $200 or $300 and feel like they can flip it to $5,000 or $6,000. And I'm gonna tell you, those results are not typical. There's people out there that do that, and I have seen people do that. However, those results are not typical. And sometimes it's as simple as catching the hot trend or catching the right news or catching the right event to make that happen. And a lot of people on YouTube that market that don't tell you that backstory. So to consistently reach your goals, you got to have a plan. And in order to make a plan, you got to have the knowledge. And in order to get the knowledge, you got to have a great team. And lastly, my last point about I Am Academy is there is no last point. The four are just fine. A great team, knowledge, a plan, and consistency will make you profitable in I Am Academy and Forex. So I would say point number 5 is just wash, rinse, and repeat. Again, consistently get that goal. And I Am Academy is a great platform that is bringing Forex to you at a fraction of the cost to do that. I know a lot of people think, oh, Forex is a scam. I Am Academy is a scam. I tell people all the time, no, it is not. 1, you may have been on the wrong team. 2, did you really plug in? And I know people hear that word a lot. And a lot of people say, oh, plug in. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay. But did you really plug in? Did you really give this a chance? Did you really try it out? I know me personally, I trade a lot and I help develop traders. And when I first started with Forex, that's what I struggled with. I really didn't give I Am Academy a chance. And I left, I came back, I left and I came back and I said, people are actually winning in this. People are actually succeeding in this. What is the difference between them and myself? And I had to be honest with myself, and I had to really sit down and narrow out my focus and narrow out my plan and be consistent in getting that. And that's what I will leave with you. Again, have a great team. Get the knowledge. Plan. Consistently get whatever your goal is. And I promise you, you will start to see yourself become a great trader, a very amazing trader. And hit me up anytime. Like, comment, subscribe. And I will be putting out more great content out here in the future.